his Forex trading. Will he be successful in 5
Go on.
days and save his
Open the
life?
phone. Hey Mark, someone kidnapped Jessica. They want $13,000 until Friday midnight. Okay. Oh my gosh. How can I find it? I have just 5 days. What? Straight? Okay, let's start. Hello guys and welcome back. Today, actually, I will not come and I will not make a trade, but yes, I wait for the news and news come very good. Okay, now I'm just waiting and opening some position, long position. Okay, that's finished. This to be completed. Now I'm taking long positions. Don't forget the golden rule. Don't trade before the news. Okay, day 3. This is Wednesday, day 3. Let's get some long position. Go on. I'm buying. Okay. Don't trade. Again, I'm saying don't trade before the news. Never ever. Okay. I wait for news. News come, and crash manipulate. So, no way. There's no way. This is going to go up. No way. Okay. Yes, I'm buying. Still I'm buying. Yes. Everything's good. Perfect. Today I will take only one position, okay? Because I have two Zoom meeting. I don't have any time. Okay, I'm checking it. Everything is normal. Crucial tips from me. Okay. Now everything's okay. There are 2 rules I created. It's okay. Not important. That's going to break. Yes. Manipulated. I see that this double dips. This double is important because these are created the last tabs. Okay. These create the last tabs, and you can see all the areas. Liquidation. All of this. Also this one. All of the areas liquidation taken. That means that's the drop time. Okay. That's the pump time. Just wait a little more. And again, I'm saying golden rule. Don't trade before the news. Don't trade it before. It's very important. Do not trade before the news. Okay. This is Wednesday. We have a column. Interesting. We saved the gems. So, welcome. Okay, we go on for 2 days. Okay. Let's see how much money we will make until Friday midnight. Yes. Just watch it. When this red break, red box break is going to start the pumping start. Okay, it's coming. Don't reject. Do not reject. It's coming. So go. Pump. Go. Not enough. Reject. I think reject. Maybe if reject, I'll buy more. Okay. Do I have any money? Okay. Yes, I have the money. If this rejects, I will buy more. If not, I'll close the second red box. Come on. It's a retest. It's a retest. It's my retest. Okay, where are my lucky sticks? Yes. Yes, my lucky sticks are here. Come on, guys. It's happening now. It's happening now. It's happening now. It's happening now. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Go. 3,000, 3,000, 2,050, 4,000. I'm going close. I'm going close. I'm going close to the line. I'm going close. I'm going close. Yes. Rejected from the red. Whew. It's fast. That was very fast. So, how much money we make total? We start with the podcast today, day 3, and we approximately made $21,000. 3 days. Yes. Good. It's good. As I say today, I will not take any position. Good. Everything's good. Everything's alright. I have to. And then I need to play my choice. Okay? Don't forget the golden rule. Do not trade before news. Do not trade before news. Do not trade before the news. It's very important. It's going to reject from red. Again. Again. It's the up again. But I will not end position. I don't have time. Okay? Yes, you can take long position. Yes, you can take. Behind you. Don't trade before the news. It's the golden. Bye bye.
Long position, short position, long position, short position, big long, big short, big long, big short.
Bye bye all. See you tomorrow.